measurement of voltage, current, and power by using Matlab simscape. Okay. So here, take one simple circuit. There is having voltage source or current source and one or two resistors. Okay. So here, right here, that is called DC current source. DC current source. So this is called DC current source. Don't take this. And another terminal, another element, a DC current source. DC current source. Like this. Okay, this is called DC current source. DC current source. Place here the DC current source and take one resistor, and copy and take one more resistor, controller and resist, change like this orientation, and take one more resistor like this. Okay, this controller, and so the circuit is having one current source and 4 resistors. Okay, so connect like this fashion first the current source. In this way. This is called like this, connection is over, and also one ground is required. Okay, go to library and press here ground. Ground is called here the electrical reference. And simscape, it is called as a electrical reference. Electrical reference. Take electrical reference and place here. Okay, this is called electrical reference. Like this, connect electrical reference. Connection is over. Then next, to solve this, one solver configuration is required. Okay, solver configuration. Right here, solver configuration to simulate the simscape circuit. Solver configuration is required. And next, to measure the voltage sensor. To measure the current sensor, and to measure the power sensor is required in simscape. Okay, so resistance, for example, the resistance is called 10 ohms. Resistance of this is called 10 ohms. Okay, and the next, this resistance of the circuit is also same 10 ohms, same 10 ohms. Here also same. Like take 5 ohms, and here 5 ohms. Okay, like this, the resistance is changed. This resistance 5 ohms, and this is the resistance is called 10 ohms, and this resistance of this element resistor 1 and resistor 2 5 ohms, and the resistor 3 is called 5 ohms. Like this, this is the circuit. And then to measure the voltage, take one current sensor. For example, here we have if you want to measure the voltage across this resistor, first resistor, take one voltage sensor. Voltage sensor. This is called voltage sensor. Connect exactly parallel to the voltage sensor. This is called one terminal of voltage sensor, and the negative terminal of voltage sensor. Connect like this. Take one. This is called simscape. That's why simscape to simlink. That's converter to measure, to display the voltage. One display block is required. That's why take one PS simulink converter. PS to simscapes to simulink converter. Okay. So by using this, we have to connect one display in this way. Take one display. Display shows the voltage. Connect. So directly connect is not possible to display to this simscape devices. Okay. So one PS2 Simulink converter is required. So this is for voltage. The next to measure the current, uh, for example here, to measure the current flow into the this resistor, take one current sensor. Okay, take one current sensor like this. The current sensor is nothing but like ammeter. Connect in series with this resistor. For example, if you want to measure the current flow into this resistor, connect positive terminal here, okay, and the negative terminal to the resistor, like this. Understood? This is called current sense. You place like this one. So positive is to the ammeter to second terminal to this resistor. And then take one similar way, PS Simulink converter. Okay. PS Simulink converter connect here. PS Simulink converter. PS Simulink converter. PS Simulink converter. Place here. PS Simulink converter. Okay. And take one display. Place here display to display the current. So voltage sensor is connected exactly parallel to this resistor, and to measure the voltage display is required. The display is connected here by using PS Simulink converter. Similar way, this current sensor is connected in series like ammeter. Okay, like ammeter, we have to connect this uh, current sensor. Understood? And then connect. This is called current sensor. Next, to measure the power. For measurement of power, one power sensor is required. Power sensor. Okay. Power sensor like this. This is called power sensor. So here power sensor. Here I want to measure the power across this resistor R3. That's why connect ammeter like series into the branch. Okay, delete and connect this like series. And then second terminal connect to voltage. Second terminal. This terminal, positive terminal is connected here. And then connect voltage like parallel to the this current in series and voltage parallel. So that's why what is this meaning? This means we have to measure the power across this current flow into this resistor R3. What is this resistor R3? Current flow into the resistor R3 and voltage across the resistor R3. It is a voltage. This is called be exactly parallel connected, and this current in series. Okay, then this is called here power simulink converter is not required. PS simulink converter is required. So connect here power PS simulink converter, and then connect one display here like this current one display. So this is about and next what is the current here? What is the current? For example, 10 amps. Okay, and then this is a one simple circuit to measure the voltage, current, and power, and then simulate. So this is called voltage across the resistor R1 is called voltage 100 volts, and the current 5 amps, and the current 5 amps, and this power is called 125. So in this way, we have to measure the voltage, current, and power by using simscape, Matlab simscape. Okay. So this is the one of the circuit to measure the voltage, current, and power.